Yo, what is up guys, this is Alex from ADPT Hunters Gaming here, and before this video starts, I just want to say there will be no more videos after this until Christmas Day, where I'll be uploading a vlog of all of my presents and that. I'm getting an Elgato and a microphone, which you may have seen in a previous video. I got new glasses as well, that was nice. So I can make gaming videos on my Xbox right here. So that's something to look forward to, I guess. Okay, now on with the video. Okay guys, after that short introduction, we are now gonna get on with the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so guys, right here we have everything we'll need. Milk, tea bags, sweeteners, a mug, and a kettle. Right. I don't think there's water in the kettle at the moment, so I'm gonna need some of that. This is also nice, trust me. So this is everything you'll need, and with that, let's put some water in. Okay, and here we are. There's water in the kettle now. Right, so now we've got to put the kettle on to boil, and while we do that, we want to get our mug and our tea bag. We'll be back once the kettle's boiled. Okay, and the kettle's boiled. And while it was boiling, I got a spoon. Right, so let's get everything here. Right, you want to put the tea bag in the cup, and then get the kettle and pour. Don't fill it all the way because you'll want to put milk in. And now you stir, like I'm doing now. That looks about right. So now you want to get the tea bag out, make sure it's dry enough, and then quickly run over to the bin. Right, that's the first part. Now the water and the tea is in there. You could drink it now, but it just won't be very nice. Now you want to put one sweetener for normal people, but I like about... Okay, none are coming out, so 2 and 3. There. Nice, and now you want to stir it again. Lovely. And now it's quite nice to put a little bit of this in. I like quite a lot because it's nice. And now the milk. No, we want to stir that first. Almost forgot a crucial step there. You technically don't need honey to do it, but it's nice. And now milk. And finally, one last stir. Right. Now, we're going to wait for this to cool down, and I'm going to put everything away. See you in a minute. Everything away. Now we just wait for the tea to cool. So, I'm going to cut ahead until that's done. By the way, I want you to... I might be able to put something in the top right corner, like about here, like where you can vote, or I want you to tell me in the comments whether you like the cuts like that. I like them, but I want to know if you do. Okay, see you when it's ready. Also guys, I forgot to mention at the start of the video, comment down below what games you'd like to see on my channel once I can make them. They have to be on Xbox though, so see you once the... Right guys, so now we're at the table with the tea here. It's very nice. It's really, I wouldn't say it's really sweet, it's just nice. But yeah guys, that is how you make honey mixed tea. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you want to see more of these, comment down below.